Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. Welcome to this segment again, which is called Cooking Made Simple. Okay, so another very simple recipe for you. So simple that even I can make it. Okay, it is called potato egg roll bake. Okay, rather long-winded, but that's what it is. So ingredients: you will need corn flour, oil, obviously. You will need cheese. Well, that is the secret ingredient, chaat masala. You will need potatoes. So I've boiled these, but you can grate them if you so wish. We've got a herb of our choice. Mine is thyme. I'm going to have some onions, more potatoes, I will explain later, eggs, tomatoes, and over here is the filling, which is cooked mincemeat. Okay, so let's clear the some of the plates and show you the next step. So first of all, we're going to break the eggs into the bowl. So spices to suit. So as you know, I always like salt and pepper, and then various other things, but in this one it is my secret recipe which I'm going to tell you, and that is chaat masala. So a bit of salt in there as per taste. Okay, chaat masala to suit as well, and can we give that a good whisk? Okay, we're going to give that a good whisk. So the other green ingredients are going to go in here. Firstly, the herb of your choice. You can put parsley in, but as I say, we like thyme. Here. Okay, so the thyme is in. Now we're going to add the potatoes, and we're going to mash that, please. Okay, so give it a real good mash. Okay, that's nicely mashed. Can we add some corn flour, please? So about 300 grams of corn flour, and mash it again. Okay, the mixture is ready there now. So what we're going to do is going to grease a pan and pour that mixture onto there. So if you have grease-proof paper, that would be much better, but we don't. Okay. So that's been poured out, and we're going to spread that right out on the tray, and that's going to go into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So we will revisit in 20 minutes. There we have yours. So as you can see, the egg and potato have cooked. So what we need to do now is to make slices, and this is the best time when it's hot. So you know, slices of your choice really, because these are going to form the rolls. Okay, so we're going to let that cool down and then show you the next step. So as you can see, viewers, the potato and the egg has been sliced. So we've got quite a number of slices there. Okay, so make sure you cut it right through. So let's grease the dish. Okay, so the next thing that we need to add is the onions. We've cut them in ring shapes. You don't have to, you know, whatever takes your fancy. There is our layer of onions and potatoes. We're going to add a thin layer of cheese. Okay, we're ready to make the rolls out of the slices. So I'm going to add a little bit of keema. I think that's enough. And if we could roll that, I think that's enough keema. It's enough, yeah. Keema. Now we could roll that. Okay, one more, and press that down. Okay, and transfer it to the dish. Okay, so we carry on doing that. Next slice. Where is she? Roll it over. Okay, so we're ready for our final layer now, which is tomatoes. Okay, the tomatoes are on, and we just want the final thin layer of cheese there, please. And that's going to go into the oven for around about 20 minutes again. So don't forget, everything is cooked now, so it's up to you. If you don't want the cheese well done, you can only have it just melted. Okay, so we're going to put that into the oven now. So there we are, viewers, the final product. Okay, so let's have a little taste. Okay, so as you can see, tomatoes nice and soft, and we've got the egg and the potato here. That is very nice. Okay, viewers, I do hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. I do hope you will try it. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Look after yourselves. Look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.